Hi everyone, welcome back to Zoom Players live coding session. And today I will begin by working on a feature to hide YouTube videos for being listed if they are shorter than 1 minute. Okay, so this is the open source YouTube plugin, which you can find on the on my GitHub repository. So here is the current configuration dialog. What I need to do is first maybe scale it up a little bit because it's very small, and then I will add the new features. So this is just for the user experience, just to make it a little bit nicer. Let's move it like this. It's width 220. That looks right. Yeah. Okay, this is decently aligned. Move this here and pixel here. That should be nice. This doesn't look aligned. Like this. Yep. This 86. This is aligned. Let's move this a little bit down. It's some more width. Yeah, that's fine. A little bit more spacing. And even more spacing, because now I'm adding another one. Like this. And text will be, do not list videos shorter than, and this is in seconds. And here I will put an edit box, regular edit box. And I'll make sure it looks centered. Yeah, maybe 1 pixel down. And let's move it to, okay, so it's 213. Let's just move the left and put it at 300. No, let's align it over the OK button. So that's to 316. 16. And let's even give it the same width of 75. And text would be 61, and let's give it proper names. So this would be short video, seconds. That's a short video seconds edit. This is maximum CB. Okay, so this would be limit video duration, not limit, filter video duration, just make it consistent. Okay, So now I have to, let's just move everything a little bit. This and even this. So there's nice spacing. Okay. So now I have to make sure that these settings are stored. And I would do that by searching for this. This is the configure. Okay. So I need this. So we have all of these. Too long. Okay. And that's equals 2, 2, 2. B filter duration. Okay, so that's 1. And then I need the text one, which is edit text equals s filter duration. Okay, so and I actually need to create these. So the bookmark here and search for it. Okay, so these are my defaults. So there's another bookmark, and the default value should be force for the filtering, and for my seconds it should be 6. It should be string. It should be an integer with a value of 61, and to make sure it seals correctly, I should put no value here, so I can see that it loads for my defaults. Okay, so I have these two at their default values, and I am setting them here, but I still need to rename this. Yeah, here. Okay. And it's failing. Why is it failing? Because I accidentally added an extra s, making an s out of myself. This should be I, should be int to string, and I probably didn't do the I. So it should be I. Okay, and it compiles, but now I have to do the reverse. Okay, so we have this, and so first we assign the values, right? And if someone puts something silly in there, it will reset to 61. Okay, so yeah, okay, this is fine. Yeah, okay, so in theory, if I configure the filter, it should now show me. Let's make it the channel version. And now if I configure this filter, it should show me this. Let's just put a different number, close it, configure it again, showing fine. Let's do the whole sequence. It didn't save because I didn't save it to the register yet. I missed an important step. Okay, so basically now I need to save it to the registry. So now I need 2 register keys. So I need a key filter duration, filter enabled, filter duration enabled. Too long. Why 0? No 0. Okay. Duration enabled. And then filter duration seconds. Okay, so let's do it here. Okay, and okay, here. So that's fine, and here I need enabled, and it's boolean of my boolean, integer of my boolean. Then another one set of enable seconds, and that's my integer. Okay, but where does it load the defaults? So what I need to check is where these are initially loaded, which is here. Okay, so here I need okay, so I am loading it into this. And I am setting high filter duration, filter duration. Okay, and another one for the seconds. Filter duration. Messenger. No need for typecasting. And now it should run across session. And the chat is spamming. How do I block this guy? I don't know. Never mind, continuing. Okay, so now I was just about to check that the code works across sessions. So again, 62, apply, close, and run again. configure the media library categories, and I don't, only the Boolean worked, right? I missed something. What did I miss? It works, but not across sessions, right? Yeah. Which means that I am missing, here it's read correctly. And here, looks like it's saving correctly. So maybe it's failing here. And no, it's not, because it showed it correctly when I didn't close the session. So it has to be somehow, maybe it's typecasting. I don't think it should be, because they are both here. Let's just check the load code again. Registry looks correctly. Okay, maybe it was a typecasting. Let's try it again. That's fine. Come on. Come on. Okay. So now I am going to set it to 62. Wait. This is silly. This is the issue. Let's do it like, if it's greater than 0 and here for the number of cards, add number of characters. I think I'll check it in a second. There's no password character. Okay. So, okay. Let's, and the order is wrong. The tab order is wrong. So this is 0. That's fine. Be 5 and 6. This will be 7. Okay. And now that I figured my issue, it should. It's already remembering it, because the load was not the issue. Okay, so let's take 63, close, check again, create. And it's 63, so let's put it to the actual value we want, which is 61. Okay, so now it's actually loading and saving the configuration values, but we're not doing anything with them. So now we need to find, using the YouTube API, where it lists the videos, and filter all of the unwanted video. Okay. So what are we doing? We are looking for the YouTube function that lists the videos. It may not be here. It might be here. Okay, so this is create no get list. Okay, so this is search. We should actually be for any video, even trending. So it's just charts it, and so let's just specify the URL. Okay, so we're downloading it. Okay. Well, we're actually creating it here. Adding it. I think it's here. Let's just make sure there's no other instances. It's just a refresh. I don't care. Okay, so everything is here. So I should have the duration, right? How is my duration? YTV duration. So let's do if where was it? We need this. If it's false, or it's true. No, it's either false or false or oh, I'm getting spammed in the chat. Can I just block them somehow? Continuing, where was I? If it's either false or the YTV entries duration is equals or longer to my duration specified in seconds. So this means if it's 60 seconds or more, it should get filtered. Okay, so in theory, this feature should now work. So do I have, I don't remember. Okay, so first let's have it disabled, and let's open the Zoom player tutorials. Okay, okay. So here, this is a video short. So in theory, it should not be listed. Okay. Should probably hide this one. Okay. So, no, not here. Let's close it. And now I am going to configure and set it not to show. And it's still showing. Let's configure it to 60. Still, actually, that's my mistake. We don't know if it's working or not right now because the channel is cached in memory for at least an hour. Okay, so what I'm doing is now, after I enable the settings, and now I restarted the player, it's not listing anything. Okay, that's also not good. Okay, so what is broken with my logic? So it's either false or the duration is longer or equals to the specified duration. In theory, that makes sense. So why am I not seeing anything? Okay, let's test it out. Am I writing the duration? I should be writing it somewhere. Wait, I'm not even getting it here. Wait. Maybe that's why it's failing. Okay, so again, this is specified. Yeah, it's not even, I'm not even getting it here. Okay. So I'm only getting it here. Okay, so this code is bad. Okay, so I need to still keep it like this, and here after I get the duration, I need to do it, but now I have to do it in a loop. Okay, so I am basically looping this list. But I only need to do it if filtering is true. And now here I need to do it in reverse order, because I will be moving items from the list, and if I do that in running order, the count value would shift on me and give me a wrong index. Okay, so I don't need begin, I just need another if. If wait, release I is actually smaller than the duration, then I need a begin and end. I don't need so no, because I am not why it's a no. No, that's this. Got my typecasting. This is okay, and disposing and deleting. This compiles nicely, and hopefully now okay, it sets not to show, and it works. No more 1 second videos. Okay, let's double check it. Let's set it to disable now. And oops, sorry. Accidentally exported the language file. Okay, and it's back now. Which means all of them are back. Which means it's working. Okay. So now we are done with this card. Yay. Okay. Did I write the number? No. Okay. So what am I doing next? Next card, still on the same open source plugin. When we are doing a playlist plugin, wait, I have to update the change log for beta 7. New setting on media libraries, YouTube plugins to libraries to hide the to hide to filter videos shorter than 1, then specified number of seconds with a default value of 61 seconds. New setting on the middle of the plugin, enabled by default. Filter video shorter than specified number of seconds with a diff. Okay. Okay. So you would be able to see me programming it. It's uploaded to YouTube. See me live coding this feature here, and I will have to apply URL later on. Okay, I'm going to take a okay. Now, oh man, did a long pause for the streaming video, and I'm not sure how much I lost, but basically right now I'm trying to get the name of the playlist, and through the YouTube API, data API, and to do that I need the right API code for get information on a playlist. So let's YouTube API, data API, get playlist information. Okay, let's see. Okay, now what we are doing is specifying our URL. Hi everyone. Okay, I am going to now try working on getting the playlist. Okay, let's see what I can do here. I'm going to copy this, all of this, and modify it to my need. Okay, so according to Google, let's do this. I need a list to receive the download info, and what else? Okay, so this doesn't matter. Let's take the link here so it's accessible to me. So this is my sample link, and now I need my URL. I don't need this. I need my URL. Now I need the right URL. Okay, so we are going back to the API, and so it's Google APIs, YouTube version 3, and instead of channel I put playlists, and the key and the part I want is snippet. Do I need something other than snippet? Do I even need the snippet? It's just the snippet. And ID equals my playlist ID. Okay, so this is the URL. We're creating the list. Let's put the debug message. Okay. Okay. That's fine. Okay, we're saving our snippets. And we have our base, and then right now all of this code doesn't interest me. Not a function, it's a procedure. What am I missing? Huh? What does it want from me? Ah. And okay, DL status. Let's get those. And copy this. Okay. Still not compiling. Okay, I need SJSON. Still not compiling. I need JBase. And that's nice. Ah, crap. I have to restart my coding environment. Okay. Now it's okay. No, it's okay. Yeah. Okay. So now I need to activate the playlist, which didn't work. Okay, now it worked. And I need to try creating the channel. Okay. So once again, I am deleting this category and I messed something up again. Damn it. Okay. Compile and okay. And do I see it? No. I have to run it again. Okay. So now I'm cleaning out the log, giving its temp name and the URL, and still crap. Still no logs. What am I missing again? Did I not call the function? Search playlist. I need to do this, and I'm calling it for cat ID, and I want it in title, but only and otherwise unknown. Okay. Compile. Okay. Let's try it once more. So I am removing this category and creating playlist with this URL. No, right. Didn't do as I wanted. Okay, test, and then the URL. And cool. Okay, this time I do have the logs. But before I can show you the logs, I have to quickly hide the API key. Okay, so this is the log. Okay. And what we need is this title, which is, and this title. Okay, so first I need a playlist title and channel title. Channel title. Okay, so we're updating this and we are setting both of these to nothing. Okay. And it should fail. I need two titles. So S title and S title PL for the playlist. Okay, so we are doing like this. Okay. So this I need Okay, this doesn't work. Let's do it like this. If we have a playlist title, now to the end. Let's just do title equals this. This should work. Why is it not? Might be superfluous. Okay, so in theory, if it gets it, it should show the right one. So now, what we want is several things. We want to tell it that we don't want a title anymore. Okay, so let's check where we're doing that. Okay. This is input. Okay. So we don't require title for playlist mode. But why does it require input while others don't? Okay, let's for now just put all of this in a comment. Put false. Okay, so now if I were to run it, it should just give me an unknown channel, but still working. Okay, so let's just test that. Okay, so now when I create, no, it's buggy. Okay, so now it should work. It's not. Okay, so compiling it again. And I'm activating the plugin. And running again. And I'm creating. Okay, it shows the right one. Let's get the URL. And if I did everything correctly, it should show an unknown. Great. Okay. No, I don't want it loaded again. Okay, and now I need several. Has a thumbnail? What's the thumbnail? It's the thumbnail for the whole thing. Okay. Okay, I'll try to grab the thumbnail as well. Okay, how do I do it for the channel? Yay. Okay. was I? Checking how I'm getting the thumbnails. Doing it like this. Okay. Okay. Okay, if I manage to grab the thumbnail, I'm just popping thumbnail, otherwise a generic image. Okay, but now I need to get everything. And what do I need to do for that? I need a snippet. I don't have an array. There is an array. There's items. Okay. Okay, so I need items. Okay, so I am getting the items and from the items I'm getting the snippet. Okay. Need all of this. Just need a snippet. Okay, so I don't need this entire block. Okay, I need the title. That's for the playlist title. So playlist title. And that one. Then I need the channel title. Okay, so I have title, I have channel title, and now I need the thumbnails. Okay, I don't need the custom URL, but I do need the thumbnail. Okay, and I believe that should work. I just need JEntry and JSnippet. Where was it? snippet. And where is this specified? Okay. I have to check it out. So it's a parameter here. Now I need to check it out. It's used. One moment. Okay. So it just calls it with the parameter. And we have compilation. And now we need to test that it actually works. Okay. So if I've done everything correctly, it should get my thumbnail, it should get everything. Okay. So now I'm creating category with it's my playlist. Okay, it only asks for the URL now, and it works. Let's see if it got the icon. It even got the playlist icon. This is great. Okay, so let's update the changelog. It's a change. Media, libraries, YouTube playlist plugin now retrieves playlist and channel names automatically. Playlist, channel name, and thumbnail automatically. Previously, you had to manually specify the playlist name, and the thumbnail was generic. Okay, so this is done, and I do this, and on my card I can put it as done. Okay, that's enough for today. I hope you had an interesting stream to watch, and see you next time. Bye bye.